Good morning, children. Sorry. Good morning, children. Hope you are all fine. In the previous class, I have done the grammar, sentences and types of sentences, children. So, we'll continue with the exercise. Hope you have all received your books. If you are not received, please take the books as soon as possible. Okay, today I am going to change this imperative sentence. Imperative sentence is giving some advice or commanding or requesting any word which is concerned to this word, the things. It is called imperative sentence. That is, the imperative sentence shows the kindness, command, advice, or requesting, whatever it is. So it is a special sentence for when we compare to other sentence. So change these imperative sentence to interrogative. That what all the qualities we have found in the imperative sentence, it should be changed to the interrogative sentence. So, now get me a glass of water. Okay. Get me a glass of water. I'll write only answers, children, so that I can finish little faster. Can you get me a glass of water, please? Water, or you give question mark. Water. Can you get me a glass of water? Return the book tomorrow. Will you return the book tomorrow? Return the book tomorrow. Third, give me your phone number. Will you give me your phone number? See, in the interrogative sentence, you are not supposed to keep the full stop. Instead, that you have to, what you have to do? You have to place the question mark. Wait for me. Wait for me. Can you wait for me? Fourth one. Can you wait for me? Please pass the salt. Please pass the salt. Can you pass the salt? Can you pass the salt? Then, seventh main, change the exclamatory sentence to declarative sentence. Exclamatory sentence, sudden feelings or whatever it is. Shows the words which shows the sudden feeling, and we end that sentence with the exclamatory mark. That is, this. This is exclamatory mark. We end the sentence. See here, what a great victory. Wow, what a great victory. After that sentence, we write that exclamatory mark. So that you have to change into the declarative sentence. It is a, first one, it is a great victory. See the punctuation properly, children. You should punctuate properly. Victory, full stop. It is declarative. Okay? Second one, what a pleasant surprise. It was a pleasant surprise. It was a pleasant surprise. Full stop. Third one. How noble he is. He is noble. He is noble. What a delicious meal. It is a delicious, CIOUS, delicious meal. How stupid of him to say that. It is a stupid, it is very stupid to, it is very stupid, STUPID, stupid of him to say that. Okay, sixth one. Hope you have completed this side. This is in page number 9. What is sweet fragrance? Fragrance means what? It is smell. Very nice smell. Very attractive smell. Means, what a nice smell we are getting. It is jasmine flower or some lotus flower also will get good, this one. Then champak. That is some tea we say, no? That smell also will be very good, no? That, like that smell, we'll call as fragrance. What a sweet fragrance. It is a sweet fragrance. FRAGRANCE. Here completes this mean. Now, an interrogative sentence is one which asks question. A question mark is used to close this sentence. There are two kinds of interrogative sentence. There is two kinds of interrogative, that is confirmation question and information question. Confirmation is whether you will come or not tomorrow, asking. Whether you are, whether it may rain or not today, or asking, clearing the doubt. Okay, we know something happens that we have to clear, and we will ask that to clear our doubt. That is called confirmation. Information, that policeman will ask for the thieves, no, what you did, where did you go, how, who are there with you. That is all extracting the information. Okay, that is called information question. Okay. Make yes, no question for the following. Yes, she is my teacher. Is she your teacher? Is she your teacher? It is confirming. Is she your teacher? Yes, she is my teacher. No, I am not from America. This is information. From where? Are you coming from in America? No, I am not coming from America. I am coming from England, they may say. So extracting the information. No, I am not from. Are you from? This is 8th main, children. Second and first one they have done for you. No, I am not from America. Are you from? America. Okay. Question mark. No, we don't speak Chinese. Do you speak? Do you speak Chinese? Chinese language. Fourth one. No, he doesn't eat non-vegetarian food. Does he eat non-vegetarian food? Non-vegetarian. Vegetarian food. Yes, our house has a garden. Yes, our house has a garden. Does your house has a garden? See, for confirmation question or yes or no questions. Okay, information, WH question, that is where, when, why. These words, if it comes, it is for information questions. Yes, my favorite color is green. Is your color is your favorite color green? You can pause the video and you can write, children. Seventh, yes, there are many plants in our garden. Are there many plants in your garden? In your garden. Eighth, no, the summer was not very hot this year. Was the summer was the summer very hot this year? Hot this year. No, it was not very expensive. Was it? Very expensive. Was it very expensive? 10th. Yes, I like this shirt. Did you like this dress? Did you like this dress? 11th. Yes, he can dance. Can he dance? Yes, he can dance. Yes, he will do it. Can he do it also we can write? Will he do it? Will is given, no? So we will write as will. Will he do it? Yes, he will do it. So children, I'll stop this here only. Read the properly, and now I'll be giving you some opposite words. Okay? So you have to write down in your running notes. When you are bringing for correction the books, you can bring this also, children. Okay? What all I have given in grammar, your return means you can bring it. You bring it, okay, for correction. Now I'll give you opposite words. That is antonyms. Antonyms. Rich, poor. Okay, like this. Bright, dull. Slow, fast. Heavy, light. thin, thick. Healthy, unhealthy. Unhealthy or sick. Both you can write. Or sick. Sweet, sour. Tall, short. Pretty, ugly. War, peace. Or peace, war. Okay. I'll give some genders. Genders also. Change the genders. Genders. Masculine, masculine and feminine. Feminine means it is male, female like that. Okay. Boy, girl. Lion, lioness. Cock, hen. Monk, nun. Then brother, sister. Landlord, landlord, landlady. Then 5, 6. Okay, write this 6 on the enough. I don't have space there also to write 10. This, write it in your, okay. Don't write in your, this one children. Write in your classwork only, no problem. Write this in the classwork and get for the correction. Okay, in the class work only you have to write this opposite and genders. Genders in the next class also I will be giving little more, and past tense, everything, so that you can write properly and make sentence of your own. Whatever grammar is there, I'll give it in the classwork only. You write it in the classwork itself. Okay, whatever I write on the board, write it in the classwork only. No need of any other books or somewhere. If you write, you will not read. Write it in, I am repeating again, write in the classwork. These things, this two means opposites and genders. Okay? You might have understood, no? Don't write in any other book. Write in your classwork. Okay? So, hope you have completed your classwork. Bring your classwork for correction, children, when the days are related. Days. Your day is on Wednesday. So, you have to bring on Wednesday for correction. Right, children? So, have a nice day. God bless you, children.